Welcome back to this week's video. This week we entered into Bulgaria.
And for the first 3 nights we spent at Sarka Hills camping, just so that we could reset, give the van a clean and get our bearings in Bulgaria.
Then after that we travelled to Sozopol on the Black Sea coast. So let's take a look.
Sozopol is a picturesque coastal town located on the southern Bulgarian Black Sea coast. It's about 35 kilometres away from Burgas. It's one of the oldest towns in Bulgaria with a history that dates back over 2,600 years.
After leaving Sozopol, we then travel on the coast to a lovely place called Nessebar.
As you can see, we found a great park up and went to discover Old Town Nessebar.
Today we are going to have a look around the old town of Nessebar.
We've not really done that much exploring since we got to Bulgaria. We've had a few days of just resting, chilling, resetting. And you need those days sometimes. But we thought we'll go and have a look here because this was on a recommended list that I put on my maps. So let's go have a look. So we've had to pay to come into here, 9 lev each, which is about £4. We've had to pay in because it's St Stephen's Church.
Yeah, I need to get some money back.
Lunch by the sea.
Yes, it's just foul off the roof and landed on Becky.
I thought it was like a like one of these or something.
There was a loot. I saw you moving for that.
Oh my god, what sort of snake is it? You got it? Did you get it? Yeah. Oh yeah, you did, yeah.
So it's quite long now.
Show the kids, they'll be pleased.
This is the snake that's just landed on Becky's back.
So this little shop in Nessebar has some beautiful white, nice clothing. I've just had a dress and a top. Not that I need any more clothes because I really don't, but it's a bargain price of about £36 about, and they're beautiful. Which is lovely. Old Town Nessebar is one of the oldest towns in Europe with over 3,000 years of history. And you can really feel it as you wander the cobbled streets. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and you can totally see why. It's got gorgeous architecture, loads of charm and that lovely relaxed atmosphere that just makes you want to stay longer.
enjoyed our little tour of Nessebar Old Town. If you are in the vicinity of this area, it's definitely worth the visit.
It's beautiful in Nessebar.
Yeah.
After leaving Nessebar, we headed to a lovely place called Varna.
Let's take a look at Varna.
We had a beautiful day in the vibrant seaside city of Varna. We started with a relaxing stroll through Varna's stunning sea garden, a peaceful escape bursting with colour, blooming flowers and views of the Black Sea. Next, we visited the breathtaking Dormiton, the Mother of God Cathedral, one of Varna's most iconic landmarks. Its golden domes and peaceful atmosphere were simply unforgettable.
So we've got our candles, as we do when we go to any church or cathedral or big cathedrals. And there's one each, one for me, one for Steve, and we light them for our loved ones that are no longer with us.
We ended the day at the towering monument of the Bulgarian-Soviet friendship with sweeping views and a powerful sense of history.
Morning! We are at Pobiti Kamani, and this is a central group of the stone forest. It's 800 metres long, but we can see it all from here, but we're going to walk in anyway. And it's approximately 50 million years old, or so the sign says.
And today we're armed with our walking sticks
And our water
because
bottles.
these are
Snake killers.
snake batters. Because to be fair,
Is that
we've
why you
seen
bought them?
a lot of snakes in
We have seen a
Bulgaria.
lot of snakes, more snakes than we've ever seen
Yeah.
anywhere
You
in
even
the
had one
world.
around, you know?
I did. Well, no, I didn't. I had it on my back.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so as we're walking through this place, it is very sandy, and you can see everybody's footprints, but you can also see, if Steve zooms in here, see these? These are snake traps. And there's one there. We've seen a big
So Becky just followed one of these trails here. Goes up
into the rock.
into the rock somewhere.
So you'd not be poking your face in there, would you?
So we're now at Ovech Fortress. We're on the east entrance. This was an old well. Just to the left of this well was a storage unit where rainwater was stored. There was also one to the right as well, just where Becky is.
Ovech Fortress is a medieval stronghold located in northeastern Bulgaria above the town of Provadia in the Varna province. It's an impressive and historical rich site perched on a long, narrow limestone plateau that offers sweeping views of the surrounding landscape.
Then we started our hike to the Shaskanite Rock Monastery.
So we finally reached the Rock Monastery after a few wrong turns, and we had to walk over this scary bridge.
I'm not sure. Are we sure?
Oh well, here we go.
Once inside, we found all of the rooms for the monastery. One had to be entered by climbing through a little hole, so I didn't go in, just Steve.
And that was our little
Little
hike to
adventure.
the monastery.
Don't know how many steps we've done, we'll count when we get back.
And we're back at the van. We do hope you've enjoyed this week's video, the first half of our Bulgarian trip. Join us with the next video where we continue and end our trip in Bulgaria.
And if you have enjoyed this week's video, don't forget to give it a like, drop us any comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Costs you nothing to subscribe.
But it means everything to us.